Learn to code with Python and Pygame 0 for everybody. Chapter 1, Pygame 0 and Mu Editor.
I want to develop games with Python.
If you want to develop games with Python, I recommend using Pygame 0.
Why do you recommend Pygame 0 instead of Pygame?
Pygame 0 makes game development easier than Pygame.
How can I use Pygame 0?
I recommend Mu Editor to use Pygame 0.
How can I install the Mu Editor?
You can install the Mu Editor using the installer available on the official website.
How can I start Pygame 0 with Mu Editor?
You can start Pygame 0 by selecting the Pygame 0 mode.
It's really easy and convenient.